guys, Kristin here, and today I just got back from Salvation Army and I found some cool things. I'm really excited. There's a little preview right here. At first I kind of had this mentality of like everything I liked, because it was so cheap, I should just buy it all. It would get a lot more expensive. I would end up leaving the thrift store with like $160 and like end up not liking things. So now I've kind of gotten to the point where like if I think that's individual, if I think that is cool, that makes me happy, if I'm in love with it, like I'm taking it. Today I only bought like 5 things and it came up to $16, so I like that a lot more. I went to Salvation Army and I also went to Walmart to buy some buckets because I want to organize. We have like this little storage closet that goes like under the stairs and everything. It's not very organized. Gabe kind of shoved everything in there when we moved in, and that was like half a year ago. Right now I feel like I have the energy and the motivation to actually go in and touch it. Kind of what we're gonna start doing today. I'm gonna start with putting the decoration away and kind of see what's in there and that I can like shove into the boxes as well. I only bought like 3 bins today. Thought I'll see where that takes me because I don't know. This is our first house, so he didn't have any Christmas decorations whenever I moved in with him, and I never needed to buy any Christmas decorations before. I think I was like overcompensating a little bit to the point where like anything that I liked, I bought. Now I'm trying to be a little bit more picky. I'm gonna kind of go through it, see if there's anything I don't really want to keep. Hopefully you guys enjoy another organizing video, and instead of my cabinets, it's just going to be my closet. All right, let's go see. It's like super dark here. It's literally 4:51. It's so dark. Currently, this is our closet. I hate the fact that it's super small, like no walking room. These are all our chairs we use to pull out for D&D. We have some yoga mats. That's the TV Gabe pulls out for D&D. And we just have like a bunch of crap there and like more tucked in under the stairs. But a lot of this is Gabe stuff, so I just kind of want to go through everything, kind of find it a place, organize it more, because right now I don't like to go in there. It's a mess. I mean, it doesn't look that bad right here because like I don't know, it's taking up so much space, but yeah, so we'll go check that out. Alright, so first I got this little candle holder there. I thought it was super cute. It's like very bohemian. I like the color. So I'm gonna end up putting it like over here because I have like a lot of sweet little pastel-y colors. I like to keep it a little happy, so when you look up when you're doing the dishes, it's not so depressing. That's my mentality. I paid $1.99 for this one, so $2. Next, I got my beautiful Helix wood candle holder. This one was $6. It's a little chippy, but I just thought it was so pretty. I found like what I was lacking really. What I really like is the whole long thin candle aesthetic, but I don't have any candle holders. So I found this today because I was looking for some and I was like, yes. Found this little science flask vial. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's just a flask. It's not the Erlenmeyer. Yeah, so I thought that was super cool. I thought I could put it by the window, put some water in it, put a little snippet of a plant in there, let it grow. My own little mad science experiments, but with plants. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Oh. I don't know how much it was. The sticker's not on it anymore. 200 cc's. Oh, I also found this. It's pretty basic, but it's a little heavy. I thought it was really cute. I'm gonna spray paint it black because I just bought some black spray paint and I want to spray paint some of the things around the house to kind of like continue the black accent color kind of situation. So yeah, I bought that. That was cute. It was $2.99, $3. Now these might just be my favorite, and I don't even know because the Helix candle I am kind of living for, but this, look at these. They were $4.99 as a set. There's even a little bell. Look at that. I really cannot read what it says. I'm so excited for these. now the next day, and I have been working on it a little bit on and off all day. I've kind of been like pretty creative, to be honest, so I've just kind of been moving everything. I might show you that right about. And now we're back. Been messing around. I kind of like it better now, so hopefully you guys do too. Actually, I really don't care. It's my style. I just made myself a little smoothie. This is kind of like false advertisement. It's not just Evive. I actually kind of made an Evive in a smoothie with a bunch of random crap in my freezer. Cause like I just felt like something a little thicker today, because I don't think I ate all day. Don't do what I do. I'm like so absent-minded and distracted that I can literally be working on projects and hyper-focus and not realize that I have not eaten all day. It's currently 5:09. What I did yesterday is I made 3 bins. I put all my Christmas stuff, all my seasonal stuff. In the third one, I put Gabe's magic cards. I want to just like put all of his like cards and all his geek stuff all up in there so that he has it all in one place and it's not just scattered around the storage closet, because why? That's kind of what I did. Now we have this box and it just has random crap. It has batteries, it has a random light in it. It's like that random like drawer in your house, except we just have like a box of it. I plan to go through it and sort it out and try to find a place for everything, because right now I really just don't want it. I don't know, I just want things to be more organized. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a thumbs up. It is always appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next